God knows exactly kung kailan niya bibitawan ang lahat ng ipinapanalangin natin. Because a blessing is not a blessing if you cannot handle it. And God knows when you can handle it. Amen. At alam niyo mga kapatid, ang kabutihan ng ating Panginoon, hindi mo lang nakikita kapag sumasagot siya ng yes. In fact, ang kabutihan ng Panginoon, mas nakikita natin kapag sumasagot siya ng not yet. Alam niyo po kung bakit mga kapatid? Because God knows exactly how to bless you. But God also knows when to bless you. Hindi lang alam ng Diyos kung paano ka pagpapalain, alam ng Diyos kung kailan ka din pagpapalain. At alam ng Diyos na hindi pa ready ang nation of Israel for a fight and for a battle. Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, huwag silang papadaanin sa Philistine territory. Sapagkat baka kapag ka nakaharap sila ng mga Philistines, magbago ang kanilang mga isip. And I've been asking the Lord why. Marami sa atin na nagtatanong. I've been asked many times, Pastor, bakit nga ba yung mga Israelites na supposedly 11 days lang ang biyahe, inabot ng 40 years? Ang pabirong sagot ko, wala kasing Google Maps noon. Ang seryosong sagot ko, pine-prepare pa sila ng Panginoon para sa Promised Land. Kasi alam ng Panginoon, kapag hindi binago ang kanilang puso, although they are out of Egypt, but as long as the Egypt mentality is not out of them, they will never maximize all the blessing that God has prepared for them. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, kaya wala pa yung 1 million. Kaya wala pa yung answered prayer. Kasi pine-prepare pa ng Panginoon ang ating puso. At gusto ng Panginoon na baguhin ang ating puso. Na minsan iaalaw ng Panginoon na dumaan ka sa mas mahirap na ruta in order for you to change your heart first. So that when you receive and experience the blessing of the Lord, you are ready now. Amen. Everybody say, Lord, prepare me. Ihanda mo ako, Panginoon. At kapag dinedelay ka ng Panginoon, by the way, delay is not denial. You already know that. Amen? Pero kapag tayo ay dinedelay ng Panginoon, ano ang purpose? Ang purpose ng Panginoon is to refine you and to prepare you for the place of promise. Hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ng Panginoon, pero may mga blessings sa buhay mo that it took a while to get to you. Parang yung mga Lazada at Shopee na pinapadeliver mo. You expected it to arrive 2 days ago. Pero hindi pa rin dumarating hanggang ngayon. And you are saying, kung yung boyfriend, pastor, napapalasada lang, mapa-priority delivery ko to. Willing ako magdagdag ng delivery fee. Amen. Pero napansin nyo mga kapatid, may mga pinapadeliver kang dumarating faster than you have expected. And may mga dumarating that's slower than you have expected. And you know what? The same thing with our blessings. And the same thing with our breakthroughs. And I know you've been struggling for a year already for that breakthrough to come. And you've been praying for years for that miracle to come. But God knows exactly what He is doing. And He is in control, not just with the time, but in your season and in your time. Alam ng Panginoon ang kanyang ginagawa. Amen? So every time na ikaw ay naiinip, every time na hindi ka makapag-antay, ipanalangin mo sa Lord, Lord, turuan mo ako maging pasensyoso. Lord, turuan mo ako to trust the process. Lord, wag mong hayaang i-abort ko ang aking calling dahil hindi na ako makapag-antay. And Lord, wag mong hayaang i-speed up ko ang process dahil hindi na ako makapag-antay. Yes, I want to move towards my breakthrough, but I want to experience it in your own timing and in your own season.